A modern shop floor doesn't just run. It thinks. Every second, a decision is made. The floor knows what's breaking and what it costs. What used to take a shift now takes a second. Epicor has been on the shop floor since the beginning. We know what's next. Advanced MES, the floor in real time. Connected process control, every move in sync. Kinetic, built for the connected floor. Prism AI, that catches what people miss. Automation that doesn't sleep. Lower cost, less downtime, better decisions every second. Epicor, soar higher together.